Hi everyone, we are now looking at the month of August and how does the Saturn retrograde and Venus have an impact of you if you come under the zodiac sign of you Tauruses. Now for you Tauruses, okay, this month tells you to dig your heels deep into future planning, okay, and this is the time for you to hit that nail. So let it be in your expenses, let it be in your family planning and in your future investments as well. This is the perfect time to do those kind of investments. Now you may feel the month starting a bit on a slow note and you feel things are dragging and not materializing, but actually things are materializing in the back end for you. So be it the career front or be it, the business front, okay, if you feel anything that was stagnant, so let's say your profits, your gains that were stuck somewhere will definitely start materializing towards the month end. So your gains and your profits will happen towards the month end for people on the business and the career front. Now on the career front as well, for people who had maybe a growth issues that were stuck, increments that were stuck, salary hikes which were stuck, it will all start working in your favor. So keep your faith going and you will see your financial stability improving this month. You will see cash flows coming in and you will definitely see a lot more money flowing into your kitties this month. So do keep a lookout for that. Your finances are good this month and it's all improving for you. Now, even from the health perspective, okay, you need to be a little bit careful this month because we do see that we have a lot of stomach related issues happening this month. Even people having heart related issues or heart related diseases would need to take special care and special attention this month. So just keep that focus going and get your regular health checkups done. That's very important from this month. From the relationship perspective, this is a very auspicious month for you, Tauruses. So, go ahead and do all the plannings that you have been doing. There's only just one little word of precaution. Just hold on to your temperaments. You may, feel upset. You may have mood swings. But when communicating on the family front, when communicating with friends and relatives, just be a little bit more peaceful because you may just spoil something. Now, this is an auspicious month, like I said, for you. And if you are planning, marriages, you are planning engagements this month, this is the perfect month for you to take those plannings ahead. And a little bit tip as well. Some of you who were planning love marriages and you may have been facing some obstacles from this month on, it will work in your favor and you will just see somehow something working in your favor. So go ahead, take that risk and start planning all the marriages, all the happiness that you have been waiting for. This Venus is working in your favor this month. So make use of it and we do hope that things work in your favor as well. And for a remedy for you this month, donate some water. Rather, I would say give water to plants, to animals, to the birds, and spread a lot more, cool and calming things to the environment and to the people around you as well. So I do hope that the month of August brings you a lot of happiness. I'm Sharon S. Mondager with Avenues. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. And if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's stay connected.